Hello everybody, I thought I would do a day in a life video for you guys, and things have become very hectic since I got out of bed. Things changed. I was going to film, like me in the kitchen making some banana bread, which I still may get to. But my father-in-law came over to fix some of the things that I talked about in my coffee chat video that we are needing to repair in here. So we had a past leak in our ceiling right above my head here, and it was sort of like, I don't even know how to explain, but where it had been fixed, it was not properly sanded and stomped, because we have the stomp ceiling. All these older houses have stomp ceilings. I'm sneezing. We got dust everywhere in here. My purse is even black, but it's white right now.
But you know that comes with the territory when you're sanding.
So anyways, I'm going to be spending an hour dusting and cleaning everything from where we just sanded to death, but I'll show you here in a second what it looks like before I clean it up. Maybe I'll do a before and after so you guys can see. But Ronnie's over here, and
having a wonderful day.
Yeah, it's a pretty day. I made pizza dough this morning, so we're going to have some pizza.
Very huge pizzas. We're having a couple of them.
I've got to run the couch cover through the washing machine now. So we got to do, got to do that.
It snowed in here, didn't it, baby?
It snowed everywhere, even in the dining room. It snowed everywhere, and now my sinuses are going whirly. But I'll show you guys here what it looks like. This is the current condition of my floor. Can you guys see? Ooh, it's everywhere. It goes all the way out the door. They did wipe this off, but it still needs to be dusted. And then that's my TV stand over there, white as snow. And that's my purse laying there in the chair. Can you see what that looks like? So I got to get this cleaned up because Ronnie has his broadcast tonight, don't you, babe?
Oh, yes.
Happy Saturday, guys. Good morning. You guys seen me making breakfast this morning. We had egg and cheese and bacon sandwich this morning. It was so good with our coffee. And I am feeling in a pretty good mood today. Ronnie is definitely feeling better because he woke me up at 6:30 this morning, and I'm like, what are you doing up? But him being blind, he has no idea what time it is. And sometimes he has this habit of waking me up. What time is it? I'm like, it's 6:30. Go back to bed. I'm wide awake. So about 7 we moseyed out of bed and we had coffee and he read his Bible this morning. And look what has popped out. Can you see that sunshine right there? That sunshine right there is amazing. It's going to be in the 70s today. I am so looking forward to it. Excuse my hair. I did brush it this morning and I have not washed it in a couple days, so I am using that Garnier Nutris, I don't even know if I'm saying that right, dry shampoo today because I'm just going to be home and I have to get some household chores done, which is always. I'm hoping to do some extras today and I'm going to take you guys along. So thank you so much for joining in with me on my day in a life video. I'm upstairs, as you can tell. If you see this chair here, and sometimes I change this blanket out, but if you see this chair, you know that I'm upstairs. So I'm upstairs in my bedroom, and I'm drinking a little bit of water, and I took an ibuprofen. My ankle's still bothering me a little bit, but I am going slow motion and I hate it, but I don't have a choice. So I'm gonna make my bed. I'm gonna gather up the laundry up here. I've got some trash that needs to be taken out, and I think I'm gonna do a quick run of the vacuum up here and check on my little birdies in the office and just get my day started that way. I've got a ton of dishes to wash downstairs, and keep your fingers crossed. I'm hoping to make a loaf of banana nut bread today, and for dinner we're just gonna have leftovers. So we have leftover cabbage casserole and leftover pizza from yesterday, so I don't have to cook dinner tonight, just have to warm it up. And that's the kind of meal that I really like. So it's good sometimes when you make a casserole to kind of make it big, especially if it's just 2 of you, because then you can eat it, you know, next day or the day after. Or you can freeze it, which is fabulous to have on hand, is to freeze your meal. So, yeah, I'm going to get my day started. I'm going to take you guys along with me. I hope you guys enjoy these day in a life videos. I don't seem to get as many views on these type of videos as I would like, but I know that I try to do videos that kind of conquer everybody who watches my channel. So cooking, cleaning, organizing, chatting, getting to know me, day in a life, me and my husband, that kind of thing. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm a very real person. I keep it real. I tell you exactly what I've got going on, what's on my mind, and you don't always see a makeup face and a bright smile. So just so a heads up, guys, I'm very real on these videos, but I'm in a good mood today. I'm staying positive, and we're going to get this day started. To get my decorations together, some things that look like spring. I don't really have a whole lot, so I'm just kind of pulling things that are lighter colored. I do have that basket, the candle, some flowers. I can see in that right there, I've got some flowers there. And then I just got this lamp, bought it really cheap off of a friend, and I just put some pictures. This is where we do our broadcast. I think I said previously in the vlog, but anyways, this is our living room space right here. For now, that is getting knocked off the wall, this whole thing, and then it's going to have to be pulled up from here all the way over the floor, and the joists and the subfloor underneath there is going to have to be changed. The new floor is going to go down, and then new wall put in there. But it'll be nice because I'm going to put a big couch here and a couch here, and so we'll have plenty of seating space in this area because I have this here beam right here that I have to work with, and that is the only thing left to really clean. Look at the dust on it. And this chair's not staying. It's actually my mother-in-law's. We had a dude that was helping us, and he kind of just never came back. So that was that. But this is my coffee table that I absolutely love. And still got some boxes and some things that's gonna go. Guys, I feel like I have fallen off the planet today. And I don't really know what I last videoed, but I have been working. Everybody has been working on my house, and it is wonderful because we're getting things done, which is fantastic. And I think it's because it's such a beautiful day. Everybody just, you know, is in a good work mood. So I don't know if you guys seen it or not, but this wall was all messed up, so it was sanded today, and I'm just kind of getting all that cleaned up. I cleaned my cabinet fronts, and I got this new toy here. Let me unlock it. It's got a safety feature right here, and it's a steamer, and it comes with all kinds of attachments. Anyways, I got this from Aldi. If you've seen my Aldi haul, you know that I got it from Aldi. It works really phenomenal because these cabinets were oh so in need of a really deep cleaning. So I used hot water, good old Murphy's oil soap. Good afternoon. This has turned into a weekend vlog. I hope you guys don't mind it. I didn't get much film yesterday and I didn't close it out, so I just decided just to go ahead and add my Sunday and share with you what we got going on. Father-in-law was over this morning. Is still working on my house. We are getting everything prepped so that we can paint and hang new curtains, and it's going to be so nice when it gets done. And I am so thankful and grateful for his hard work and in doing that. So I am making some scalloped potatoes in this pan, and I've got some chicken drumsticks. I'm going to barbecue sauce these and put these back in the oven, and this will take about 20 minutes. And then I'm going to open up my favorite seasoned greens. And if you missed my favorites this month, check that video out. You'll see that I mentioned my favorite greens, and you can see what kind I like to eat. And I'm going to go ahead and get my potatoes in here so they can get cooked up. Everybody, I'm trying to keep the shadow off my face. Ran to Walmart for a few minutes just now. It is, what time is it? 10 to 8. I ran to Walmart, not Walmart, Kroger, and it was madhouse. I don't know if it's because it's the week of Easter coming up or what, but all I needed was milk, bread, eggs, coffee, and some creamer for the week. Got in there, and I had to wait in line for 25 minutes to get out of the store. So there was only 2 lines open, and they were literally packed all the way back to the meat section. Good morning, guys. It is Monday, and so I'm coming in here because I did not get a chance to end my video for the weekend vlog, so I can get this edited and uploaded to you guys today. It is a beautiful sunny day outside today. More home improvement going on. I'll keep you guys posted on what we get done. Anyways, it's going to be a busy day today, I have a feeling. But that's okay. So we're going to get into it. I hope you guys have a fabulous week, a very productive week. I got up this morning. I took my bath. My coffee's brewing. Ronnie's up. He's reading his Bible this morning. And I just hope that you enjoyed spending some time with me, just little snippets of my weekend. And thanks so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you be a part of Kiddos Koral. And you all have a wonderful week. Bye, guys.